Let's take a quick look at a Google Ads shared budget setup. Now, first things first, you're going to need to log into your Google Ads account. And then under Tools, you will find Budget and Bidding, and then Shared Budgets. If you click here, you should see the Shared Budgets section like this. You might already have some set up, you might not. But either way, from here, if you click the blue plus sign or click right here, it will pop open a window where you can start setting up a shared budget. And it's pretty straightforward. Just give it a name. So this might be like, I don't know, Phoenix. So let's say we have a whole bunch of campaigns running in Phoenix, Arizona, and we only have a limited budget for that city, right? We could have a shared budget amongst Phoenix, or maybe it's the USA, right? We have a shared budget for Canada. We could have a shared budget for the UK. There's a million different ways you could organize this. But once we've named it, we will need to select the campaigns. You obviously need at least more than one to share a budget. So we could select these two here, for example, and then click Save, which will essentially share the budget between those two campaigns. And the bid strategy, which you can see here, will also be linked between those two campaigns moving forward. So that's something to keep in mind, right? Is essentially we're going to be linking the budgets for these two campaigns, which means it may end up spending all the money on one campaign and not spending any money on the other campaign. That is a potential. So just keep that in mind. If you do want to ensure that both campaigns are spending, then the best thing to do is to set an independent budget for each one. That gives you more flexibility and control over where the budget is being spent, essentially, right? But let's say you had a maximize conversions bid strategy and only one of the campaigns was getting conversions. Well, Google's going to send all of the traffic to that one because it's meeting the bid, the bid strategy requirements, essentially. So that is important to keep in mind. And then once you've set this up, it's going to go ahead and split the budgets between those two, use the same bid strategy for the two campaigns. And of course, you can edit those as you go. But that's kind of the whole idea, is to link the two together. So I hope you found this helpful. It's a pretty straightforward process, but if there's anything you do need help with, don't hesitate to reach out. Just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and we'll be sure to get back to them there.
Look, if you're the type of person that just doesn't even want to deal with Google Ads anymore, then you can always reach out to me. My company is Missoula SEO Geek. I'll leave a link to my website down below, but we do manage Google Ads for different companies in different industries, and you can come learn about what we do, what makes us unique. You can even read some of the testimonials from some businesses that we've taken from 0 to over $1 million in revenue, like this one here. And really just see that, this is the type of thing that's going to explode your business growth. So feel free to reach out. You can always give us a call or contact us through our website, and look forward to working with you.